Hello everyone, welcome in today's lesson. In today's session, we are understanding MVC architecture in depth. In total, this topic we are covering these all 12 topics. The first one is introduction to MVC architecture. The second one is components of MVC architecture. Third one is the model, that is data layered explained. Fourth one is view. Fifth one is controller, and sixth one is MVC frame flow. Seventh one is advantage of using MVC architecture. Eighth one is common frameworks. Nine one is best practice in implementing MVC architecture. Next one is challenges and limitations of MVC architecture. Next one is real world applications of MVC architecture, and the last one is conclusion and future scope, that means future perspectives. Let's start with the introduction of MVC architecture. The definition is MVC stands for model view controller, a design pattern that separates an application into three main interconnection components. This interconnection separations allows for modularization and enhancement maintainability. The next one is historical context. MVC architecture has its roots in the 1970, particularly influenced by the Smalltalk programming environment, involving uh, over to the address the increasing complexity of software application. And the next one is significance of MVC in the software development landscape. MVC is crucial for allowing multiple developers to work simultaneously on different applications, leading to enhanced collaboration of efficiency. MVC architecture offers a conceptual framework that signifies improves improves the way we build application today by introducing a clear division among the data module, user interface, and control logic. We are able to change complex software system with greater s. Its origins in Smalltalk have paved the way for modern frameworks and influenced how we design user interaction. Understanding the control historical context not only reversals the importance of separation in user facing application, but also showcases its enduring relevance in today's collaborative development environments. The next one is components of MVC architecture. The first one is model, represents the data and the business logic in the application. It manages the data layer including retrieval, storage, and update operations, ensuring in- integrity and relevance of information. The next one is view. The view representation of the data, it consists of the user interface and it responsible for representing data to the user while providing means for interaction. And the last one is controller, act as an intermediate between the model and view. It process user input, manipulate the model data, and return the output to the view of user interaction. Understanding the components of MVC architecture is essential for grasping how the work simultaneously to define application behavior. The model is the backbone since it en- em- since it encompasses the data and legal binding process, while the view is where user encounter and interact with the application, shaping their experience. Meanwhile, the controller serves as the critical mediator, ensuring the data user action lead to appropriate updates to the model and after affect the view. This tragic relation is at the heart of efficient application design. The next model is data layer explained. There are there are four parts. The first one is data management. The the model handles all the logic associated with the data, ensures that operations such as retrieval, insertion, and updates are correctly performed based on establishment rule. The second one is business logic. Incorporating business rules and algorithms, the model is where workflow decisions making occurs, translating or originalization requirements into functioning codes. The third one is database interaction. The model enables seamless communication with the database, employing ORM and direct SQL queries to interact and fetch relevant data sets needs for the application operation. And the last one is data validation. Ensures any data process adheres to business construct or formats occurs primary within the module the application from errors input. The model is a pivot the model is a pivotal component of the MVC architecture. It serves not just a facilitator of data but as the custodian of business logic, meaning it retains the power of enforce rules and maintain data integrity. The reserve with which data is handled, including validation and interaction with the database, defines the reliability of the application. Thus, it is critical for developers to craft the module with diligence to ensure robustness and compliance with business requirements. Here we can stop here, and next part will be seen in next video. Thank you.